Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami seahorse. So what you want to do first is fold your paper in half, diagonally both ways. Now fold both the right edge and the bottom edge to this diagonal line right here and unfold it. And do the same on both the remaining edges. Now take the bottom left corner of the top right green triangle and lift it gently while pressing down the two creases. Do the same on the left side. Now fold it diagonally backward. This is the basic body of our seahorse. Fold the bottom corner of the triangle on the surface up. Then fold the tip backwards. And then do the same on the other side. Bottom right edge of the top layer to the left. And then do the same on the other side. arch along this crease here. Open the paper from the left side slightly and push the intersection of the right edge and the crease you made to the left gently. Press the top corner down at the same time. Then fold the above edge and below edge down and flatten it. And fold the top corner to the left side. Now open the top corner from the right side slightly and push the left arched corner to the right gently. And fold the top corner to the left at the same time, and finally flatten it along the crease you made in the previous step. Fold this small corner inward to form the seahorse's head. Fold the bottom corner to the left side. Then fold it upward a little backward to form the seahorse's tail. And here's your origami seahorse. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.